Ever thought owning rental properties was the ultimate dream? Steady rent checks, passive income, early retirement? But here's the reality. Late-night plumbing emergencies, tenant headaches, surprise repairs, endless property taxes. Now, what if you could build massive passive income without managing a single property yourself? Today, I'll show you 3 powerful REITs that can pay you up to $9,000 per month, minus all the headaches. Let's dive in. In this video, you're about to discover 3 powerhouse REITs that can turn your money into true hands-free passive income. No tenants, no toilets, no headaches. We'll break it all down, what kinds of properties you'll own, how these REITs pump out cash flow, the risks you need to know, and exactly how your investment can grow over time. By the end, you'll have a proven roadmap to build over $9,000 per month in income, starting with just $100,000. Let's go. Let's be real. Owning rental property sounds great until you're plunging toilets at midnight or chasing tenants behind on rent. That's why smart investors go all in on REITs, real estate investment trusts. They let you own income-generating real estate without the hassle. No phone calls, no property taxes, no surprise repairs. Just click, buy, and collect dividends. Even better, you can start small with just a few $100s. And you're getting exposure to multi-million-dollar properties, from malls and hospitals to storage facilities, all managed by pros while you sit back and collect passive income. Here's the kicker. By law, REITs are required to pay out the majority of their earnings as dividends, so you get consistent, reliable cash flow. Of course, they aren't magic. If the real estate market drops, REITs can feel it too. Interest rates matter, valuations matter. But for building long-term diversified income, they're one of the best tools in any portfolio. And here's the exciting part. Not all REITs are created equal. Some just limp along, but others, they're built to generate huge steady income, from healthcare to entertainment hubs to self-storage. Ready to see which ones can fuel your $9,000 a month passive income? Let's dive in. NetUN. First up is a hidden gem from Canada, NetUN, or Canadian Net REIT. You won't see this one on CNBC, but behind the scenes, it's quietly delivering some of the most consistent income on the TSX Venture Exchange. NetUN owns commercial properties across Canada, mostly healthcare and service-focused. Think pharmacies, clinics, convenience stores. But what makes this REIT shine? Triple net leases. That means tenants pay the taxes, insurance, and maintenance, not you. So, no broken boilers, no snow removal bills, just dependable cash flow while you relax. Here's the headline stat. A 6.5% yield, and it's not just stable, it's growing. Dividends have increased 6.18% annually, giving you both cash flow and inflation protection. Now, share price growth? It's basically flat, around 0.05% per year. But this isn't a stock you flip, it's a buy and hold income machine. The payout ratio stays in the 50 to 60% range, healthy for a REIT. They're not overextending. And while the loan-to-value ratio is around 52%, that just means a little over half the properties are financed. It's still conservative, as long as interest rates stay stable. Of course, no REIT is risk-free. A real estate downturn or losing key tenants could hit income. And if you're a US investor, remember, dividends are paid in Canadian dollars, so there's a bit of currency risk. Still, if you're looking to build real monthly income without touching a wrench or chasing down rent, NetUN is a serious contender. Let's run the numbers. Invest $100,000 into NetUN and reinvest the dividends. By year 5, your income's grown to $750 a month, or about $9,000 per year, and your portfolio hits $140,000. Fast forward to year 20, and now we're talking serious momentum. $2,600 per month in income, and a portfolio worth $417,000. But the real magic, that shows up by year 30. Your portfolio breaks $950,000, and you're earning over $6,500 a month. That's $78,000 a year in passive income from just one REIT. That's not just covering bills, that's lifestyle freedom. Medical buildings, long-term leases, essential services. It's boring, stable, and it works. But what if your monthly income didn't just come from clinics and pharmacies? What if it came from places people go to have fun? Let's switch gears and break down a REIT that's anything but boring. EPR. Next up, EPR Properties. This one's all about turning entertainment into income. While most REITs stick to apartments or warehouses, EPR took a different path. They own the fun stuff: movie theaters, ski resorts, golf entertainment centers, water parks, even private schools. It's called experiential real estate. When people spend money to escape, EPR gets paid. Now, I'll admit, I had doubts. Movie theaters? Didn't those die in 2020? Fair. Theaters are still recovering, and entertainment spending isn't recession-proof. A chunk of EPR's income still comes from theaters, and the payout ratio sits around 75%, a little high at first glance. But here's the thing, EPR is diversifying fast. Today, more income is coming from ski resorts, golf venues, private schools, assets with stronger, more stable cash flow. And with solid funds from operations, those monthly dividends keep rolling in. Speaking of dividends, EPR pays a juicy 6.5% yield. And here's the kicker, it pays monthly. That's huge. In a six-figure position, it's like a paycheck arriving whether the market's up or down. Even better, unlike NetUN, EPR has delivered a bit of capital appreciation, about 0.53% per year. It might not sound huge, but when you're compounding high-yield income, every uptick adds up. Now, let's run the projection. Toss $100,000 into EPR, the king of experiential REITs. And here's what happens. By year 5, you're banking nearly $800 a month. That's about $9,200 per year. And your portfolio's grown to around $142,000 thanks to those monthly payouts and some modest recovery in real estate values. By year 20, compounding kicks in hard. Income hits $2,800 a month, and your EPR stake has ballooned past $455,000. And remember, you're not fixing roller coasters or mopping up popcorn, you're just collecting checks. Jump to year 30, now it gets wild. That original $100,000 has grown to over $1 million, generating $7,400 a month, or nearly $90,000 a year, all on autopilot. Sounds good, right? But the next one, it's a different beast, recession-resistant, wildly scalable, and hiding in plain sight. This might just be the most underrated income machine out there. BYG. Alright, what is this mysterious wealth builder? Big Yellow Group, the UK's storage king. It's basically the landlord for the stuff people just can't throw away. But this isn't your typical dusty strip mall storage unit. BYG dominates the UK self-storage market, where demand is booming and competition is still light. Europe has 10 times less storage per capita than the US, and BYG is aggressively filling that gap with premium, secure, tech-enabled facilities. Now, no REIT is bulletproof, and BYG isn't immune to market cycles. Higher interest rates have cooled growth a bit, and occupancy has softened. And being UK-based, there's always currency risks for US investors. But dig a little deeper, and you'll like what you see. Minimal debt, no reckless expansion, and a rock-solid balance sheet ready to ride out the bumps. Yes, the 5% yield isn't as flashy as NetUN or EPR, but here's the real story. A lean 55% payout ratio, just 30% loan-to-value, and a dividend growing at 7.3% annually, with share prices climbing over 4% a year. That's a compounding machine, the kind most REITs only dream of. It's not a quick cash cow, it's the slow burn that builds real wealth over time. Because when you combine growing dividends with rising share prices, you're not just getting income, you're getting serious momentum. Let's run the numbers. Start with $100,000 in BYG. By year 5, you're earning about $600 a month, or just over $7,500 annually, and your portfolio has grown to around $156,000. Solid gains from an asset that's supposed to be boring. Fast forward to year 20, and now things heat up. You're earning nearly $3,000 a month, about $3,600 a year, and the portfolio has snowballed to nearly $640,000. And here's the real kicker. By year 30, your original $100,000 has exploded to over $1.76 million, with monthly income just above $9,000. That's nearly $108,000 a year fully passive. No tenants, no toilets, no drama. Just yellow boxes, steady rent checks, and compounding magic. Quick bonus for those of you still watching. Here's a little extra. There's a lesser-known REIT called Scylla Realty Trust. It's newer to the game, but already delivering a 6.6% dividend yield, the highest on today's list. The catch? It pays quarterly, not monthly. And that's the only reason we didn't feature it earlier. If you're okay with waiting 3 months between checks, Scylla could be a solid high-yield play in the healthcare real estate space. Definitely one to keep on your watch list. And there you have it. 3 REITs, 1 strategy. NetUN delivers consistent monthly cash flow. EPR adds high yield with a splash of fun. Big Yellow quietly builds long-term wealth. Together, they create a portfolio that pays you now and sets you up for lasting passive income. Still hungry for more dividend strategies? Tap the video on your screen and let's lock in more game-changing income plays.